What is my IP address? Can anyone know their IP address? Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Secrets Hub. Today, we're diving into a question that pops up all the time. What is my IP address? And more importantly, can anyone find out their IP address? Let's break it down. First things first, what is an IP address? It stands for Internet Protocol Address. It's like your digital address that helps websites know where to send data. Just like your home address helps the mailman deliver your letters. To find your IP address, all you need to do is open your web browser and search for what is my IP. And boom, there it is. You can also use websites like whatismyip.com to instantly find it. But here's the thing, can anyone know your IP address? The short answer, yes. They can if they have access to the data you're transmitting over the internet. Websites and services you visit can see your IP address. And even your internet provider knows it. However, your IP address doesn't directly reveal personal info, it's just a way to identify your connection. But don't worry, if privacy is a concern, you can use a VPN virtual private network to hide your real IP address and stay anonymous online. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.